everyone. So, when we think of speech, we think of the mouth. But what if I told you that the journey of speech often begins in the hand, every grasp, every pinch, and purposeful activities?
Masters of Psychology. He will be talking on the topic of communication, cognition, and speech relationship, and introduction of OSIT with the sub-theme of simplifying and the learning pyramids. I request sir to kindly come to the dais. Please, sir.
Yes. Good morning to all participants, delegates, dignitaries, organizing committee, chairperson. The OSIT, that is Oral Sensory Motor Integration Therapy. So without stimulus, brain doesn't give the motoric output.
To Miss Neha Yadav, ma'am. Bharat B. Chandra, sir. Dr. Shubham Sharma, sir. Dr. Sriharsh Jahagirdar, sir.
Though there is a drawback of this material that the look is not that good. Aesthetically, it is not that good, but functionality wise, it is outstanding. So we compromised with the look, and we always choose the material which is functionally good, and that's why it is right fit for the chewing.
Thank you, sir.